Hello, my name is Altaf. So today is the 23rd day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So today we will talk about NPM. NPM is just a node package manager, which can be used to managing packages or installing packages from another website. So in the Node.js, there are two types of packages. It's inbuilt packages or external packages. So for inbuilt, we don't have to install it. We have to just import it and then we can use it. For the external packages, we have to install them. So just like that, if we want to generate a random string, then we can write code for it from scratch and use it. And second option, we have that we can go to the npm packages website, then search for a random string generator, then uh, uh, follow the instruction to install that package and importing that package. So after installing, we can import and we can use it. So it's easy to install and easy to generate the random strings or time saving things. So just like that, we install package from external website or we use. So for inbuilt packages like file server, we use file server to read the file or write the file from the local data or anything anywhere else. We can use fs. We don't have to install fs. Fs is the inbuilt module which can be used directly by importing it. For importing, we can use ES6 version, or we can use CommonJS version. So NPM is used to do the NPM packaging, means managing the packages or installing the packages from NPM site. So NPM is a tool to manage the packages. So if we make a package, we can put it to the NPM head site. Then NPM, we can document that, and we can write documentation for that, how to use it and how to import it, and we can put it to the NPM site. And, other person can be used. So npm packages are packages or the code which is written by others. So we can use it by installing and importing. So that's all about npm installation or using the npm packages. So that's all about npm. Thank you.